So I'm at the Optoma booth with another one of our Best of Show award winners. This is the ML1080. It is the world's smallest discrete RGB laser projector. 1080p, 1200 lumens. This will do 98% BT 2020 gamut. It's got a time of flight sensor for auto setup. It's got a USB power connection that's compatible with power banks for portability. Auto low latency mode for gaming. 2 models available. There's going to be a standard throw at $999, a short throw at $1,149. They're both due out this summer.